Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin and many other coins, so please watch this video complete. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. Here you can see Bitcoin and some altcoins are in red and some are in green. What are the price targets of these coins and tokens? Let me please show you. Let's dive into the chart of Bitcoin and definitely I'm going to tell you my targets. So please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is the BTC USD 1 hour Binance chart and it is currently trading at $55,239. Bitcoin break the symmetrical triangle towards downside here you can see, and after that this is the support zone for the Bitcoin at 53,000, and this is the horizontal resistance which is at $55,600. Bitcoin should have to break this upside resistance level to go up, otherwise it will go down. Technical target according to the symmetrical triangles, according to this pattern, is this, like this. And this is the most accurate, I think so. I am trying to 50,900. You can say 50,800 to 900 is our target. If Bitcoin break this horizontal support zone which is currently at 53,000, then definitely 50,900 to 50,000 is our target. Maybe let me please show you this. Maybe Bitcoin is going to hit $50,000 price mark, I think so. Yes. $50,000. 50,900 to 50,000. These are the immediate short-term target for the Bitcoin because of this breakdown. If Bitcoin break this horizontal resistance which is currently $55,600 and close overly candles, 4 overly 2 or 3 candles above this will be the indication that maybe price will go up. In that case, maybe BTC is ready to hit 58,000 again in that case. Otherwise, maybe Bitcoin go down to hit again 53,000 and after that 50,900. This horizontal resistance is very important right now. If Bitcoin break this horizontal resistance with healthy candles with strong volume, and in that case definitely 58,000 is near about and is very near for Bitcoin, but I think so. Let me please show you the volume. Currently volume is very less and volume is not supporting. Maybe some sideways action like this and maybe price will go between up and down in between $55,000 to $53,000, and after that it will go up. Maybe some sideways action we can see, but I am not sure. There is no bullish sign in the market right now and market is dumping right now, and this is the EMA ribbon which is currently is at 55,900. Once Bitcoin break 55,900 with 4 overly or overly 4 to 3 candles, the only condition is that Bitcoin break this $55,600 level and close daily overly candle above this, then close 4 overly candle above this zone, and then Bitcoin break this EMA ribbon 56,100 or you can say 55,900 you can say, and close 4 overly candles and some overly candles above this EMA ribbon. In that case you can say 56,000. If Bitcoin close overly candles above $56,000, this will be the indication that Bitcoin is ready to hit 58,000, maybe 60,000 and maybe 61,000 again. Until that, Bitcoin is ready to hit again 53,000 and maybe 50,900 to 50,000. These are the targets and please focus on these targets. And if you want to trade this on Bybit exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Bybit exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It takes only 30 seconds. And if you want to open Binance account or Hotbit account, these are the links you can open with my links. These are the targets you can note down. If Bitcoin break 55,700 with hourly candle closing, and if Bitcoin break 56,000 with hourly candle closing, then definitely 58,000 and 60,000 are our targets. Otherwise, maybe some sideways action, or maybe Bitcoin is going to hit again $53,000, 50,900 to $50,000. These are the targets. Let me please show you my next chart. Friend, thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. My next chart is very important chart, Ethereum. Let me please hide the EMA ribbon right now. Sorry for that. Yes. Let me please arrange this chart and let me please set the targets. Ethereum is currently struggling to break this horizontal resistance, which is currently at $1,710. If Ethereum break this, then definitely it will going to hit 1,758. This is the main trend line for the Ethereum. If Ethereum break this trend line, in that case, Ethereum will go up, otherwise it will go down. What are the targets? Let me please show you. This is the horizontal resistance, which is currently at $1,710, and this is the horizontal support zone, which is at $1,650. You can see Bitcoin pull back from Ethereum pull back from that zone, and it is currently struggling to break this zone. If Ethereum break this zone, then definitely 1,760 is our target. But for this, Bitcoin should have to break this $1,735 level and close hourly candles above this zone. If Ethereum break this, then definitely 1,750 to 60, or maybe it will go to hit 1,800 and 1,816. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is main hurdle for and the main resistance for the Ethereum right now, and it is currently at $1,740. Ethereum should have to close hourly candles above $1,740 in order to move towards upside. Otherwise, it will go down. Maybe Ethereum go to hit this again, and after that, maybe Ethereum hit this zone 1,713, and after that it will go down. If Ethereum close hourly candles above this zone, then definitely it will go up. Otherwise, it will go down. This line is 200 EMA and 200 MA line. Sorry, moving average 200 candles line, and you can see Ethereum is very far away from this and very below from this, and definitely maybe price will go down more, and maybe it will hit again $1,647, or maybe. Let me please show you the targets. If Ethereum break this horizontal resistance and this upside trend line, this will be our target. In that case, this is our first target, and after that, maybe Ethereum is going to hit $1,860 and ready to hit this zone. And once Ethereum break this MA moving average 200 candles line, in that case it will go down. It will go up. Otherwise, maybe it will go down. And let me please tell you the second scenario. If Ethereum rejected from that zone, let me please show you. If Ethereum rejected from that zone, which is very, very important, 1700 to 1740, this zone is very, very important for Ethereum to move towards upside. If Ethereum rejected from that zone In that case, let me please show you my target. In that case, $1,586 is our first target, and in that case, but I am not sure. Maybe Ethereum moves sideways. For move towards upside or move toward down or move towards downside, we want strong candles. Currently, here you can see candles are very normal candles, and not strong candles like this, or not strong candle like this. Maybe some sideways action in Ethereum, and after that Ethereum will go up. We have to wait. The targets are these. Please note down these targets. Let me please show you my third coin, Polkadot. Polkadot is very far away from this 200 EMA, 200 moving average line, and currently it is in this falling wedge. This is the main support area for the Polkadot is at $34.50. Please let me, but there is no volume. Please hide this. Let me hide this. This is very strong support for the Polkadot at $34.50. Once if Polkadot break this zone, in that case, it will go down to hit this zone. This is the target. You can say immediate short-term target $31 and $31.6. These are the targets. This is the first target, and let me please show you the second target. In that case, $31 is our second target. You can see this. These are two targets, $31 and $31.6. And if Polkadot break this upside trend line and close overly candle above $36.50, in that case, if Polkadot break upside trend line and close overly candle above $36.5, in that case it is ready to hit $37.8 or maybe say $38, and after that it will go up. Otherwise, I am very much certain that maybe Polkadot will go down. We have to wait, maybe some sideways action because there is less volume in the market, and this is the EMA ribbon, and it is currently at $36.3. For upside movement, these are two hurdlers for Polkadot right now. This EMA ribbon and upside trend line. Once Polkadot break two hurdlers and cross $36.5, in that case it is ready to hit $37.8 or maybe $40. Otherwise, these are the targets. Let me please show you my next coin, which is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is currently trading at $33,733, and it bounced back from that zone, $32,800. Once it break towards downside, because the candles are far away from this 200 moving average, and once it break this horizontal support zone, in that case it will go down. Let me please show you. In that case, this will be our first target. $31,344, and here you can see it is currently in this falling broadening wedge, and according to the pattern, it may be down to hit this zone 28,200, and after that maybe it will pull back from that zone. Please note down these levels, and I think For upside movement, it should have to cross 34,700 to $600 level in order to move towards upside, because there are many resistance. First resistance is at $34,200, second resistance is at $34,700, and third resistance is this moving average line, which is at 35,000. In order to move towards upside, it should have to break these three resistance, otherwise it will go down to hit these levels. Currently there is very less volume in this chart too, and let me please show you my next pick.